We're talking with Dr. Maurice Sherman at the Del Mar Cosmetic Medical Center. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's great to be with you. Let's start right off the top. You have served 10 years as a Navy doctor, and today it's well known, Dr. Sherman, that you're giving back. I know your medical center is offering special deals to military. All you have to do is ask, I guess, when you come in the door. Well, tell us, what are military personnel actually asking for when they come into your center these days?
Well, obviously we are giving back a significant financial reward, if you will, or concept to our active duty military. We have a 25% discount off of all of our services. And of course that's of interest to most of our military folks, but we also have special pricing for military families also. And we do have, of course, these discounts illustrated and described on our website, so I would love to have anybody interested take a look at the website, www.drsherman.com, and give us a call if you're interested. Now, once you're interested, of course, the website provides a lot of information on different procedures, and most of the time military duty personnel will come in looking for some body contouring procedures such as liposuction, primarily because of the fact they need to fit certain standards. But we also have for a lot of female active duty military people the potential for doing body contouring in the sense of tummy tucks after children, or perhaps some breast enlargement procedures. And also for our male and female patients, we have different types of facial plastic procedures also, such as rhinoplasty and eyelid surgery to, let's say, change the appearance of a nose that's been bothersome for many, many years. Now, in addition to that, we also have a lot of non-surgical treatments, some of the latest innovations in non-surgical treatment too. So whatever our military people are interested in, we're going to try to provide them with the most modern and up-to-date answers.
Well, let's go back to military standards and meeting those standards for a moment. Are you finding that you have many folks coming in and wanting cosmetic surgery in order to deal with those requirements?
Well, the military does have certain requirements, and they check it on, I think, on a quarterly basis. At least when I was in the military, we always had to deal with that, and I don't think too much has changed. If anything, it's gotten a little stricter, perhaps. But absolutely, looking good in a uniform and meeting certain body measurements, such as the waist size or thigh size, is still very, very important. And so the newer type of liposuction procedures, which can be done painlessly and with the patient in an awake status, so that there's very minimal discomfort from this procedure, and the patients can return to a limited type of duty almost immediately, offers a great reward and satisfaction for these problems. Now, it is not, I need to mention, a weight loss type of program. Liposuction and body contouring procedures, of course, make you look like you've lost some weight, but in actuality, fat that we remove does not weigh that much, and it's not to be used as a weight loss. You still have to get into the exercise program and watch your diet.
You're celebrating 10 years. The clinic is located in Del Mar, but you really serve all of San Diego, am I right?
We're located right at an intersection of the interstates. We're right near Highway 56 in Carmel Valley and I-5, and we're really easy on and off. So we are within 20 minutes of, let's say, downtown 32nd Street, as well as in the north, Camp Pendleton. Again, just about a 20-minute drive either way. And of course, east of Miramar, that area is also very, very accessible to our office.
Some of us here at the Military Press were on the internet looking at both your site, and also we noticed that that YouTube channel, that you're clearly doing a lot of video work on YouTube and social media. Are people really trying to find a doctor now by going online first?
Of course, outside from using vehicles like Military Press, which certainly is effective, we have found that more and more people obviously are using the internet searches, as well as their social media such as Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. This is just part of our culture at this point, and obviously we are very active in those areas, and so you'll find our presence in those venues.
And I guess reviews are important too, and people are commenting on their experience when they went to your
Well, yes, naturally we do have fortunately, a lot of patients who want to provide us with some reviews and testimonials, and we've been able to list some of those with their permission on our website and on our social media campaigns. So that's very, very reassuring to patients to see that, yes, we have had other patients who have gone through this and feel that it's obviously worthwhile.
You've been going for 10 years. Clearly, there's been major technological advances. Should we assume over the next 2 or 3 years there will continue to be more exciting developments?
Well, that's one of the reasons why I love to be here, and I'm still very, very active. I had a chance to travel the world during my years with the Navy on active duty, and we chose San Diego obviously for the weather, but also because of the fact that we could get into cosmetic surgery practice that was very, very rewarding, and we have continued to invest and become excited with all the newer technologies that are available, especially in the last 5 or 6 years. So there's been an abundance of newer things, newer treatments, perhaps some that are non-surgical, but even some surgical improvements that continue to make this area of specialty extremely exciting to me.
I'm sure we have readers and also some of our viewers on YouTube watching this right now that have been considering cosmetic surgery, but maybe haven't just yet taken that final step. To those folks watching or reading, what advice would you offer them?
Well, first of all, of course, look at our website. We have a lot of information on the website. We have some videos that explain different procedures, and we've also tried to list those videos on YouTube. So you can find them several places on the internet. Now, once you get some information and something is of interest to you, then we really would love it if you gave us a call. We have appointments that meet your convenience, your scheduling, obviously, and we'd love to be able to see you. Once we get into the office, the consults are free. There's no charge, and at times we also have a computer imaging system that we can utilize to show you, kind of give you a realistic expectation of the after picture, not a guarantee, but a realistic expectation of what we expect you to look like after the procedure.